Hey there, struggling with annoying lag on your streaming device? Today I'm going to share some effective solutions on how to fix lag on Amazon Fire TV Stick so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies without interruption. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in addressing lag on your Amazon Fire TV Stick is to check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can often be the culprit behind buffering and slow performance. Test your speed. Use an online speed test tool to ensure your connection is fast and stable. Ideally, you should have at least 15 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Move closer to the router. If your Fire TV Stick is too far from the router, it might not be getting a strong signal. Consider relocating it or the router for better reception. Limit other devices. Disconnect other devices using the same network to ensure maximum bandwidth for your Fire TV Stick. Step 2. Clear app cache and data. Over time, apps on your Fire TV Stick can accumulate cache, leading to lagging issues. Regularly clearing app cache and data can help improve performance. Navigate to Settings. Go to the Fire TV Stick's home screen. Select Settings, then Applications. Manage installed applications. Choose the app that's causing lag and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart the device. Once you've cleared the cache and data, restart your Fire TV Stick to apply changes. Step 3. Update your Fire TVs. Outdated software can also cause lag, so ensure your device is running the latest version available. Go to Settings. On the Fire TV Stick's home screen, select Settings, then My Fire TV. Select About. In the About section, choose Check for Updates. Install updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. This can enhance performance and bet you new features. Step 4. Manage background processes. Having too many processes running simultaneously can slow down your device. Managing these can provide a smoother experience. Install a Task Manager app. Use apps like Background Apps and Process List, available on the Amazon App Store, to identify and stop unnecessary background apps. Force stop unneeded apps. From the Manage Installed Applications menu, select apps you don't frequently use and choose Force Stop. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the above steps work, factory resetting your Fire TV Stick can help by restoring it to its original setting. Back up important data. Make sure you've noted any important login details or settings. Navigate to Reset option. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm your choice and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your Amazon Fire TV Stick's performance. Understanding how to fix lag on Amazon Fire TV Stick will ensure you can stream smoothly and enjoy a more responsive device. Remember, regular maintenance like clearing caches and updating software can go a long way in preventing future issues. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy uninterrupted streaming on your Fire TV Stick.